Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you have not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, whether it's at the end of this video or you want to press that pause button and go subscribe to my channel, then resume back to this video. And if you're actually here tuning in watching this video and you haven't given it a thumbs up, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. So before me even going to the video, like guys, I have this thing around my head. You know, when I was doing it, I was like, why am I tying up my head with this thing? But it matched my dress. Like, it's the belt for my dress, and I want to put the belt for my dress on my head to look unique and look like one nice little, you know, high school picnic. Because some of the guy high school, I so used to love fling headband around my head. So anyways, get into what my story time is going to be about. Yes, so my story time today is going to be how my flight left me. Oh, I missed my flight. So this was like last year August, when I was going away for the Easter to see my best friend in Canada, and this was just a 7-day vacation because I go to school, you all know that. And like, you know, I decided, okay, I want to go see my best friend, and I'm going to do it this Easter because I won't be able to do it in the summer. That was 2017 last year. So alright, let me get into it now, right? And before me even go, if you're not hearing the background noise, just don't pay that no mind. So yeah, so this was last year, and I think my flight was Thursday, or my flight was supposed to be a Wednesday. No, my flight was a Thursday. Yes, and I remember my flight was about 2:45 p.m. and I woke up like maybe after 8, and my father was like, Tashi, you forgot to all the way I'm to be away. I go, why you in the house and you're not ready and ready to blah, blah, blah. I mean, like, I packed my suitcase about 2 weeks ago, you know. So, like, I'm that type of person. Whether I go foreign for the first time, the second time, the fourth time, I always pack my suitcase 2 weeks before my date. So it's like I pack my suitcase like 2 weeks now, and like, I mean, ready. But in the morning when my father called me, we still have things that train on my suitcase. Like, that's just me on a whole, legit. So yeah, so basically no, when we left Clarendon, it was about after 10, and that was a bit late, right? So you know, we cannot depend on quick movement, fast, everything have to be doing fast. Daddy have to be driving fast and whatever. So we left Clarendon after 10, and on our way going down, we had to make a little stop. So we made a stop in Brownstone, and they were going to make us. We went and made a stop in Discovery Bay. When we reached Discovery Bay, it was about after 12, right? So that was like, time I go, but you still have good timing. I'm like, yeah, time I go, but we still have good timing. So yeah, so we did there now, and Daddy said, alright, you what, you know, look like you're going late, so I'm not afraid to rush too much. So I'm like, I did it, I'm say, alright, they kind of made a freaking on my head, and I said, like, time I go, and I never missed my flight before, and I know if I miss my flight, it'll be my fault, so I'm not gonna really get nothing, like the benefit or nothing. So on the way going in, Daddy never drive too fast. You know, in cruise, and you see a cruise at Jamaica, means you don't go too fast. So in cruise, go down, and when we reach Mobile, you know, when we reach the town of Mobile, or we're there at the airport there, but we reach like where they have one section where you can go get food to eat, whatever. But we're still on the road driving, and I said to Daddy, you know, so I'm hungry. And Daddy said, you sure you want to stop and get something to eat, or you want to wait till you check in at the airport and get something? But I said it would be cheaper if I stop and get something to eat. So it's like Daddy said, alright, we don't have much time, but see one Burger King here. Make us see what we can do quickly. So we reached the Burger King, it was like, Daddy turned off, and we reached the Burger King, it was like 1 o'clock. So we go to Burger King, and I mean like the Burger King having quite a amount of people in them, but it look like they made them move fast. So I said, alright, me I go stay and get the BK. So when me cash now, it take a good look at time for me get what I want the BK. So it's like I went to the restroom and I spent like about 5 minutes in the restroom. When I came back out, my meal was not ready. And I mean like I started looking at my watch every minute, I'm like, yo, if you're checking in for the airport out here in Jamaica, you know, say you have to go like, it's them say it's supposed to be there 4 hours before, but because we are Jamaican people and we don't good pan time, sometimes we just arrive like 2 hours before we fly, or an hour and a half before we fly. So I mean like, it was about 1:30 when I look for my watch, I'm gonna say, yes Jesus, my flight gone. Maybe I mean say gone, just mean that I'm not gonna be able to go pan the flight. So I say, oh God. So I hear my number call, I'm gonna go for it. When I go for it now, my God, Daddy said, see the time I go? I say, yeah. And then so it's inside. We must can take 15 minutes go out the airport. So when 15 minutes means I'm gonna reach like 1:45 because if my flight at 2:45, I'm gonna have 1 hour exactly to check in. Oh my God, stop light now for make the right turn off to take us to the airport. One piece of traffic and red lights. OMG, it can make it's like the stoplight there. I longest stoplight me ever seen in my life. The stoplight there is like, you know, either they are stoplight and say for instance a stoplight the longest it might be a 2 minutes. Come at the stoplight there around for about 10 minutes, G. Right? And I said, no man, this stoplight are gonna miss me. And I said, alright, keep just think positive. Catch your flight now gonna miss it, you're gonna make it on your flight. And I did it, and Daddy did it, and then the lights say green and we go and Daddy like shoot off and drive fast to the airport. When we reach the airport now, I was putting on my shoe because I had on a slipper and I putting on my sneakers and him said, go on in and leave the stuff them, me will carry and come, just make sure you have your passport and whatever. Yes, when I bust the airport door, guys. The airport empty. Me mean all down to line when got people will be like, you know, they have the other section and me not see no like I only work and then me see that place. Like legit. The airport just seem empty. You know, like you're busting on this deserted island and you alone. I say yes, Jesus see them. So I walk up to the part where say WestJet airline. I'm gonna go. When I went, the lady them a pack up. So I say, miss, I'm here for my 2:45 flight. Say, miss, you're here for your 2:45 flight? You just missed your 2:45 flight. I say, miss, I'm coming from all the way at Clarendon and my flight is 2:45 and now it's 1:50. I remember it was 1:50. And she said, it is 1:50, but the bottom gates are already closed. But I mean, like, the bottom gates are already closed, but the plane door are not closed and the top gate them don't close, so, like, you know. And she said, well, you're supposed to check in 1 hour before, so if you're not here 1 hour before, that means you basically have missed your flight. And I'm like, whoa, did I just miss my flight? And she said, yes. So I said, alright, miss my flight. Somebody then said, I wonder what got my nose. So I said, alright, is there a flight coming in like anytime soon? She said, no. So I said, so am I not going to get another flight to go on or whatever? And she was like, yes, we're going to put on a next flight to Toronto, but that flight will be tomorrow. Mr. Miss, I'm coming from all the way in Clarendon. Really? Tomorrow? She said, miss, that's the only flight to Toronto. So bear in mind now, guys, my flight for the day, Thursday, it was a connected flight, right? So what happened now, she asked me for my passport. I gave her my passport. She wanted to see the itinerary, so I showed the itinerary from my phone. When I showed her the itinerary from my phone, she said, alright. She went in the system and she checked it. She see that, yes, I'm a passenger for that flight. And she said, alright, this is what going to happen. I'm going to put on a flight tomorrow, but that flight is going to be a straight flight, non-connected. It's a non-connection flight. So I'm like, whoa, that is good. But the main fact that I missed my flight. So I'm like, Jesus, I never missed my flight before. What me I gonna do? And I'm coming from all the way at Clarendon. So I said, Miss, don't, when normal people miss their flight, you guys put them up. She was like, no, that's only for the fault of the airport or the airline, and this is the fault of you. So I'm like, whoa. And I'm like, okay. But at the same time, even though I was pissed, I never really like, you know, too pissed. Because normally when you miss a flight, you have to pay extra money. I didn't pay any extra money. And whatever. So I said, okay. So I made my... So before they know, Daddy, him know what hustling I come with this, okay. I said, Daddy, you know if you bother evil bother rush. You know if you bother rush. Because I missed the flight. And come and talk to Lady Missy. Isn't there anything? If anybody watch this and know my father love negotiate. No, love negotiate himself through things. And negotiation never worked. So anyways, the lady gives me the ticket. They did for me the flight for me supposed to go on. And then she gave me the ticket for the flight for tomorrow. For the next day. So I was like, okay. So my uncle know what happened now. Look, some little good that's it now, because what happened, my uncle was in Jamaica from Canada too. And it was in St. Anne's Bay. So I didn't have to go all the way back to Clarendon. So I stayed in St. Anne's Bay and for the night, and then the next day now we went to the airport and I went on my straight flight back to Toronto. And then Maya was waiting on me at the airport and my cousin came to get us, and then me and my best friend link up, and then my uncle took us, my cousin took us to the hotel that me and my best friend was staying, and then everything went good from there. So even though I missed my flight, and that's like a little sad thing when nobody really want to miss them flights, and all the while, you know, well, I guess that was just my luck. But all the while, sometimes, yes, some things, you know, happen like in the worst way, or, you know, we have some bad thoughts about something. Sometimes we can, you know, think of like a positive thing. So even though something bad did happen, like, I have to say I was grateful because my connection was in Oshawa and I had a 6-hour layover. So I was granted with like no connection and no layover to deal with. So guys, that's how I missed my flight, and I hope you all, you know, stay tuned through the entire story time. And I'm not joke, nothing. Everybody, like when I tell everybody, I mention they was like, I missed the flight because of my belly. I eat too much and that's why I missed my flight. Which I don't think that me just left me out too late. So I did not miss my flight because of my belly, guys. It was just bad timing. So anyways, guys, I just want to thank you all for continuing watching my videos. I want you all to stay subscribed to my channel. If you're viewing this video and you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and go and give all my videos a thumbs up, including this one. I love you all. Stay tuned and bye.